My name is Bill Honjas, and I'm President and CEO of Optim, a software company involved in the geophysical data processing space. Optim was started in 1995, and it was an outgrowth of me and my partner's graduate research at the Seismological Laboratory at the University of Nevada. And we started at the university as part of the Nevada Applied Research Program. And for a long time, it was just me and him. And over 15 years, we built a base of a worldwide community of users. The technology that our company is based on was developed by me and my partner, Dr. Satish Pulamanapalil. We were both graduate students at the Nevada Seismological Laboratory, and we were working with Dr. John Louie on algorithms built on simulated annealing optimization. And we developed some practical uses through the applications directly derived from my thesis and the core algorithm code that Satish wrote. From that, we developed Optim. We turned that academic code into a program that we first launched into the geotechnical industry. And we actually went international right away because in the international community is very much more early adopters of American technology. And then we actually developed a bundling agreement with a large company in the Bay Area, and that developed us into a worldwide community of users. We have 7 employees that are between Reno and Las Vegas, and we use a number of coders as needed. And most of our employees are actually from the University of Nevada. We try as hard as we can to recruit from Nevada first, not just because we're loyal to the university for everything they've done, because frankly everything we have we owe to the university, but also because the university and the College of Science in particular turns out incredible students that are definitely competitive on a worldwide basis. Well, that was a real natural choice for us. First of all, I came here in 1983 from Portland, which is a great downtown, and I think that you can draw energy from a good downtown, and we've always wanted to be part of it. But there are other advantages as well. First of all, we feel we can attract a better employee. Young people like being downtown. It's getting better all the time. They draw a lot of energy on it, like I said before. But there are more practical reasons. The building that we're in particular has a lot of bandwidth, as far as interconnect goes to the web and such. But we can also walk to coffee. We can walk to the ballpark, which is important to us. All of our vendors, like our bank and our lawyer and our accountant, are all within walking distance of here. It's very convenient, and and the university is close as well. Which is very important to us because we have a very close and ongoing relationship with the University of Nevada and the College of Science in particular. That's very important to the continuing growth trajectory of our company. Being here in downtown Reno, it's becoming very, very important as a center for the international geothermal industry. So Reno is located ideally in the west between the geothermal fields in Oregon and Idaho, and down in the Imperial Valley in Southern California, and extending eastward toward Utah. And there are many companies that are gravitating toward Reno that now have headquarters here. Many major international geothermal companies have either offices or headquarters here. And we feel like a critical mass is forming here in Reno, and I'd like to think that the same thing is happening here in Reno in an embryonic geothermal industry that may have happened in Houston in the early days of the oil industry. And that, it's kind of a vision of me and some people at the College of Science and other people here to try and make Reno the Houston of the geothermal industry.